Hi, now I want to introduce my family. I have a large family. First, my wife, Paulina. She is 34 years old. She is teacher, she is a tall, white, and her hair is brown. And we live together here, in Chile, with my daughter, who is 6-month-old baby. Her name is Aurora. Aurora is a very beautiful baby. She is a quiet, like to eat a lot. In Colombia, live the other people of my family. They live in Bogota. My father, Francisco, is a topographer. He is 58 years old and works a lot. He is a little angry, but is a good person. My mom is Catalina. Is 57 years old. She is tall, white, and work helping my dad. My mom and my dad travel a lot. Now, my older sister, her name is Catalina Jr. He is 36 years old, and he's engineering. Sometimes she is calm, and sometimes she is complicated. She is tall, and she has curly hair. She also lives in Bogota, but she don't live next to my dad and my mom, but she has a big house. My other sister is Erika. She is 32 years old. She is a graphic designer and makes great drawings. Live in Brazil and student art there. His tall and has dreadlocks hair. My two sisters have cats that are part of the family. I have two grandmothers. One her name is Aurora, as my daughter. He's 85 years old and lives in Santander. She's very sweet and calm. The other is Rosa. She lives in Bogota. She is a little sick of diabetes. She is very strong and brave woman. The other people in my family are from my father. They are 7 people between uncles and aunts. And my mom are 50 people between uncles and aunts. My favorite cousin is a policeman. I like him very much. And he lives in Bogota. He is 30 years old and his name is Mauricio. And that is my family. Thank you.